Today I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph in Figma. This is a great way to visualize data trends and create professional-looking charts for your presentations or design projects. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to create your line graph. Make sure you're in the right workspace so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Once you're in your project, look down at the bottom of your screen and locate the Actions icon. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll access all the tools and extensions that can enhance your Figma workflow. In the Plugins and Widgets section, use the search bar to type in Get Waves. This plugin is specifically designed to help you create smooth, customizable line graphs without having to draw them manually from scratch. Once you see Get Waves appear in the search results, click on it. Then hit the Run button to launch the plugin. The interface should load up, giving you access to all the graph customization options. Now comes the fun part, customizing your line graph to match your needs. You'll notice different line options available within the plugin. Click through these different lines to explore various styles and patterns. Each one offers a unique look, so take your time to find the one that best represents your data or design vision. You can also adjust whether your line graph trends upwards or downwards. This is important depending on what kind of data you're trying to represent. For example, if you're showing growth or improvement, you'd want an upward trend. If you're illustrating a decline or decrease, you'd adjust it downwards. Beyond that, you can fine-tune the flow of your line graph. This lets you control how smooth or sharp the curves are, which can dramatically change the visual impact of your chart. Play around with this setting until it feels just right for your design. Another handy feature is the rotate icon. If you need your graph oriented differently, simply click this icon to rotate it to the angle you prefer. This gives you even more flexibility in how you present your data visually. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments and the line graph looks exactly how you want it, click the Create button. The plugin will generate your custom line graph and place it directly into your Figma canvas. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking line graph ready to use in your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.